Thank you. It is one of the most important decisions a president can make to fill a vacancy on the Supreme Court.
President Trump chose appeals judge Brett Kavanaugh as his nominee, and now his writings and opinions will be examined down to the last detail. 10 on your side's Chris Horne talked with two of our lawmakers on Capitol Hill to get their take on the nominee. Chris?
Laura, Senator Tim Kaine gets a vote in the confirmation process, and he has serious concerns about Judge Kavanaugh. Meanwhile, Congressman Scott Taylor says Kavanaugh is the right person to fill a seat on the nation's highest court.
He's got a fantastic resume. I mean, I think it's a good choice.
Republican Congressman Scott Taylor of Virginia Beach talks about Supreme Court nominee Brett Kavanaugh. President Trump picked the federal appeals court judge to replace retiring Justice Anthony Kennedy. Taylor feels confident that Kavanaugh will interpret the law and not be an activist justice.
He has the opinion not to make law from the bench, which is my opinion. So, I mean, he's highly regarded.
Democratic Senator Tim Kaine will vote on Kavanaugh's confirmation. He's concerned whether Kavanaugh will see Roe versus Wade as settled law.
What will Judge Kavanaugh say about those decisions, and will he pledge to follow those laws, or is he somebody who is set on reducing women's freedom to make their own health care choices?
And Kaine says he already has several questions for Kavanaugh regarding an opinion that opposes the Affordable Care Act.
And try to make sure that he is not coming onto the court with an agenda to harm the health of Virginians and Americans.
And Kaine wants to know how deferential Kavanaugh might be to President Trump when it comes to criminal investigations.
On matters of whether they can be investigated, subpoenaed, prosecuted, indicted. And that's going to be a significant issue of concern.
Kaine says he will interview Judge Kavanaugh, review his record, and then talk with members of the Senate Judiciary Committee who will hold Kavanaugh's confirmation hearing. Kaine says only then will he determine how he'll vote. Chris Horne, 10 on your side.